What it do? Wait a minute. What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Rich Mo. Back at it again with another video. Make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Click that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Keep talking to your boy. We're growing fast. We're growing fast. So today, we're gonna do some dope stuff today. I'm finally giving you guys what you guys been wanting. A lot of y'all been wanting this. So it's time for me to do what y'all been wanting me to do. And what that's gonna be, shout out to the bro Santos, the one that drives the green GTR that always pull up to my house. He let me use his GoPro. So now I got GoPro. So a lot of you guys been telling me to make a video of me learning how to drive and showing you guys how I'm driving with a manual car. So I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna do. I think I might drop this one video that you guys watching right now as a separate video. And then the next video, I'm going to do it because I think I want to do the driving at nighttime. So I'm not 100% sure on this video if I'm gonna just show it during the day or I might show it at nighttime. I'm still trying to figure it out. If I show it at nighttime, I'm dropping 2 videos. If I show it during the daytime with this, it's gonna be connected to this video. So just trying to show you guys something different, give you guys better content. That's one thing I wanted to do with this channel, was give you guys better content. Better than I ever did before, because now with this car we're going to be going drag racing, we're going to be doing highway pulls, we're going to be doing so much shit. And I know a lot of y'all like racing. I love racing. So yeah, this car is going to be built crazy, and I had thought about it and I said we're going to do it too. We're going to go Liberty Walk wide body kit for the Mustang. I already got some stuff we're going to be picking up in LA. You guys gonna stay tuned with me. You guys gonna ride out with me. We're gonna go to Los Angeles April 17th. We already got an appointment already installed. Shout out to my sponsors. You guys know, all my OG subscribers know who my sponsor is, but they're gonna be adding an aero kit to the car. It's about to be crazy. And after that, I'm buying an APR carbon fiber wing. It's not gonna be the weak ass GT wing and all that basic shit. The whipper, what's it called? The whipper, whatever you call that shit, whipple type of thing you put on the, we're not doing none of that stupid shit. We're gonna be doing something super epic. We're gonna be doing something super epic, but super different, because I am different. And if I wanna blend the fuck out and not look like none of you other Mustangs, I gotta do what I do best, make my shit look different. And that's what I'm about to do. And we're gonna do it all the way to the top of the moot. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff going down. Like I said many times in videos before, we gotta do the paint, do that. And shout out to the bro Santos. Me and him are gonna be driving our cars to a special location because they are actually good at it. And they did my mom's Tesla with the brake. They painted and they put the Tesla word on, looks just like his factory. So I'm gonna do something like that with the Mustang. And what I'm going to do is on my brakes, I'm gonna put Coyote, because this car is a Coyote engine, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have Coyote on the front, big Brembo brake type things, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna paint it an awesome color, and it's gonna be an awesome color that's gonna stand the fuck out. So me and him trying to do it together. Hopefully we get a good deal with 2 of our cars. So yeah, that's gonna be going down. And yeah, so I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do on this video. I know I'm gonna be using this GoPro. I'm kind of leaning to doing it at nighttime. So if that's the case, then we gotta make a different video right now. So fuck it, we're gonna make a different video right now. We're gonna do it right now. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we finally in the car. Let's go for a little drive. So I waited till the sun come down. Let's turn the lights on, and then we're gonna turn the car on. Show you guys how I drive manual. I've been driving all day, but I'm gonna show you guys how I drive manual. So I'm just gonna drive normal. We're gonna drive. My windows are limo tinted, so that's why I got it kind of cracked. But we're gonna drive through the streets, drive through a little highway, do some pulls, let you guys hear how my car sounds. And yeah, just a tester. This is my first time doing this type of video. Let's go. So I gotta ease off the clutch. I'm gonna raise the window so I won't get too much air. Driving on my first gear. And the car pops. That's how I drive. Alright. As I make a stop, I put my stuff on neutral, put it back on 1, and I'm going. stop. Nobody's here. Usually I'm always stalling, but this thing is loud, man. But I need to take the resonators off this car to make it sound like a little bit louder, like most of the Mustangs do. They go straight pipe. Let's try to go before they come. I put it in neutral and then put it back to first gear. Come on, man. Fucking lights is green. I hate when people drive, like the reaction times are so. Look at this nigga. Come on, bro. Go. Right now I'm at the second gear. Come on. Come on, let me get over, damn it. I'm gonna fix my screen. There we go. Try not to put too much wind in here. Right now I'm driving on my fourth gear. This thing got so much power, it's insane. Idiot. Freaking idiot. Driving with no lights on. What a retard. I want to jump in front of me. Get your life together, right? Get your life motherfucker together. Well, anyways, back to the driving. Oh, my bad. I have extremely bad road rage. But right now I'm in my fourth gear. I'm just cruising. While I'm on the freeway, I just drive it forward. Depending on how fast I'm going and stuff. Then I move up to the fifth gear. That's so rarely. But a lot of times when I'm on the highway, I'm just cruising. I'm not driving too fast, but I stay on the fourth. And you can just hear the pony, man. This Coyote engine is an amazing car. Showing you guys. This is such a powerful car. I'm gonna do a little pull over there. I want you guys to hear how it sounds, but I don't know if the outside wind is going to affect the sound quality if I have the windows down. But you guys can hear the power from inside the car. This shit's insane. And my windows are limo tint, as you guys can see. So it is what it is, man. I'm just having fun. So I kind of slowed down, put it back in neutral. As you guys see, I got it on neutral. And then when I get a little closer, I put it back on. Because some people drive so slow, like this person. I'll put it on third. This thing pops. So I'm driving on third. Oh my gosh. I don't need no disturbance. So we're on third. I'm gonna end up moving this to the fourth gear once I come around this corner. Get at a nice RPMs. There we go. Now I'm at fourth. I'm gonna raise the window down just a little bit. Yeah, I think it's gonna be too much wind, but I'm gonna drive through the streets and let you guys see how I drive in the streets with a lot of oncoming traffic and stuff. Let me get in front of this car. This car drives so freaking good. That's the reason why I bought this car, man. It drives amazing. So we're gonna go through the streets. So right now I'm in fourth gear. I'm gonna take this way. So as I'm getting ready to make a stop, I put it in neutral, and I just ease on the brake to exactly how I want it to go. Hopefully I don't have to make a complete stop, and I can just kind of get it. But people like this take forever to go when there's nobody in sight. Fucking retard. I'm gonna do it with the windows down. Woo! Oh my god, this car is so loud, y'all. Oh my god. People ask me why you get a Mustang. There's no other muscle car that's better than a stick shift Mustang. I'm telling you right now, there's no car in the market that's better than a Mustang stick shift. I don't give a damn what you say. Fuck a Corvette, fuck a Dodge, fuck a Camaro. I'm sorry, not being biased, but I am. Mustang is by far the best fucking car. If you're going to get a muscle car, you want the best looks, you want interior looking good, you want all this type of shit, get a Mustang. Mustangs are legitimately known for making the best muscle cars out there. Of course, now Dodge got the power, that's cool, but they're heavy as a damn giant boat. Gotta get you a Mustang, you feel me? But this car right here, going hard. Damn, you gotta go on my ass. But yeah, anyways, like, this car drives hella fucking good. Best car out there to get. So right now I'm at the lights. Usually I used to hate this shit with a passion, stopping at lights and stuff as a first time driver, because I'm not no professional. This is my first manual car, but this thing be ready to go. This car is crazy, bro. Let's go this way. This is why you gotta get a Mustang. I can't make this up. This is like the funnest car to drive manual. Like I said, I ain't driving so many manuals, so I don't even know. But just knowing this with no experience driving the manual, it's the best opportunity out there, bro. Get you a this car drives so good. And I put it back in neutral, coming to a stop, and the lights are broken. The lights are broken. The lights are broken. But there's like so much opportunities. Like, alright, so I'm supposed to go. So, right. See a cop right there. You know the EPA law, they trying to get us loud boys, big powerful boys. But I'm just doing me. Put it back on neutral. There we go. Woo! This car is nice and loud. 460 horsepower, baby. Right now I'm in the third gear. and I'm not stopping. We're not gonna stop, baby. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going, baby. This car drives so good. There we go. So right now I'm in neutral. I just keep it at neutral. And then we're gonna raise this one up because I don't want to get demonetized. Turn that bullshit off. So anyways, at the lights, I stop at neutral, keep it at gear 1, and then keep my foot on the brake and the clutch. And once the light turns green, ease off the clutch and ease off the brakes. I don't know how to break it down to y'all, but that's just what I'm doing, and it works perfectly. So we're gonna work. But anyways, drives good. It drives amazing. And yeah, man, there goes another pony over there. But I have to raise this window because I don't know what the hell they playing next to me, and I'm not trying to get demonetized. But this car drives amazing. And as I'm easing off the clutch, you can hear them. You can see the car actually kind of rolling. What you want to do, and then when you want to stop, just put the clutch back down, put your foot on the brake firm, and just let everybody else do their thing, and then we in here. So this is how it is, man. It's driving this big boy, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna be ready to go green. Yep, see, I let it go. Think he can brace me? Come on, man, you got a fucking bulldozer. Woo! Well, put it in neutral. Alright, y'all, so it is dark as shit. You can't see me, but we just got done driving the car. It is extremely dark. You can't see me, but just letting you know we made it to the crib. And the car is insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna do more shit. And now that I got the GoPro, if a car pulls up, and I might get some cars that be volunteering ready to do some roads with me, and we're gonna record it. But like and subscribe, share this video with everybody, man. Let's get this shit going. We're almost at 6,000 followers, man. See you guys later on the next one.